Change is the largest problem on our planet for many decades to come, if not centuries, and we need to do everything we can from space. We have the Copernicus program, we have Meteor program, we have just launched MDG-1 last year, fantastic images that just came out, and we really make sure that we use our space assets to the best of humankind, and climate change is one of our big concerns. And one element which we just launched is not only on ground that we want to see at climate change, also in space. And I'm about to really initiate a zero debris charter where we would like to encourage people worldwide to not pollute our orbits. That means if you put a satellite up, you put it down at the end of its lifetime, and that's a new initiative we are doing.
Great. And any words for all the scientists that are hoping to really learn a lot from this Euclid mission?
Oh, the incredible science will come out. I'm pretty sure some Nobel Prizes will be won based on this data. This is really a fascinating mission. I'm so happy. I thank my community, my member states, industry, NASA also as a partner, and all the contributors to this. And thank you so much for this contribution.
Well, congrats to you, and I can't wait to see Euclid launch.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Back to Hawthorne.
Thanks, Megan. We are about T-minus 4 minutes and 40 seconds away from liftoff. And at this point in the countdown, the clamp arms are going to begin to open up beneath the fairing, and then the transporter erector will begin to retract away from the vehicle in preparation for launch.
Retract has started.
And there we heard that call out. And you can see the clamp arms just below the fairing there on your screen. Those should begin to open shortly here. Once those are fully open, then the transporter erector, or what you heard called the strong back, will retract away from the vehicle. And there you can see the clamp arms opening up there. Again, once those are fully open, the TE will begin to slowly retract away from the vehicle. And it is very slow and slight, but the TE is now beginning to move away from the vehicle. At this point in the countdown, both the first and second stages are nearly fully loaded with 1 million pounds of kerosene fuel and liquid oxygen. Both first stage and second stage should finish prop loading about a minute apart from each other. First stage finishing up at T-minus 3 minutes, and second stage at T-minus 2 minutes. At T-minus 60 seconds, Falcon 9 will be in startup. Now, what that means is the rocket's autonomous internal flight computers will have taken over the launch countdown. Just inside of T-minus 2 seconds, we light the Merlin 1D engines for liftoff. The Euclid payload continues to be healthy, and the Falcon 9 team is tracking no issues on the rocket. Currently, both the vehicle and payload are healthy.
Stage 1 LOX float is complete.
And we're looking good for an on-time liftoff at 11:12 a.m. Eastern Time. So let's send it back to Megan over there in Florida.